2023 Toyota Tacoma SR with a little extra. It's got the Sports Series Off-Road Special Edition package. The 17-inch bronze wheels are beautiful. I loves them. And this baby's nice. Got the lift. It's an off-road BF Good Wrench tires. That's all you need. Get stuck no more. Turn heads all day. Nice little accents. Trimmed up, all weather mats. Lovely touch. A little fuel. We'll get to that. Caution lights, connected services with the SOS feature. She ain't really gonna need it with this baby. She ain't getting stuck. Need a little cargo room. Bada boom. I miss my Tacoma. Just looking at this one. A little more storage for you. Front tab, got the tow-in receiver. And tires though. And wheels. Love it. Yeah, I need a nice, very functional, very reliable, very capable truck. Then this is it. We got 407 pin, box lighting, composite bed materials, like semi-indestructible. Which they said that once about this comb, and after an all-day process, I proved them wrong. It was destructible. Beautiful moonshot there. Got a sunshot here. But if you're looking to get rolling clean, this baby's still available. Why? I don't know. It takes a special someone to own a special truck. That someone could be you. Someone could be me if you're feeling generous. Automatic brights, Apple CarPlay, lane assist. Dynamic cruise control. Just got it out. This needs a new owner. Got a special somebody like yourself. Cody on a mission.